Does it smell?
It smell.
So it's coming from next door. It's where like people put a bunch of storage so we have no control over it.
Thank you.
Sorry, it's like it's
It ain't that bad, sis. Alright, so I'm just gonna figure out what we're gonna get. She thinks what you want, what you thinking?
Burger.
She thinks she want a quesadilla, a burger. It's what, 226, so we gonna see how the
I got him at the house. I ain't gonna get him.
we just had ham. Hold on, this is our food we just got
That's your food.
from the Whoppy. Pause, but I said I want my egg. I said I want my shit hot. It's really hard. What they gonna pop? I don't know shit must be pop. I don't know shit they gonna bust on me. I don't like that. It's bussy. What you got here? Tell, point your shit out. What they do wrong?
These hard ass hash browns.
Oh, damn, the top just came off like a toupee on this motherfucker. Drop the top.
And then look at the bottom too.
We petty. Guess this is what it do is whoop the woman in the building, and I got my ihop leftovers. You know what I'm saying? They got over on me and shit. But yeah, last night everything wasn't copacetic. It wasn't what we thought it was going to be. But they gave us a ticket. You know, just like the T-bone went 10. First of all, somebody tell me this can't be no T-bone. I was complaining. She's like, yeah, it's a real poor one. Yeah, I'm like, what the fuck y'all just gonna give me a poor T-bone? Poor. Huh? There you go, see? That's what it looked like up close. Ain't no T's ain't connecting. Ain't no line down there. I don't know what it is. There go my egg, which wasn't right. I told them hard sunny side up, and then the hash brown that was al dente. Staying good. I just put it in my mouth. Alright. Egg. And the total had came in like $60 for change. Can I speak to the chef?